Resilience. Just keep pushing, just keep getting up and moving on.
The personability, you've got to be personable when you're talking to someone. It's the likability, and I think as a salesperson you've got to be a chameleon.
It's just about building trust with people. Really, you shouldn't be selling a product, you should just be building a relationship.
You sell with your personality. I think people buy into your character, what you have to offer. If you're passionate about what you do, I think your confidence in what you're selling, it comes across, and that's what people buy into.
And the best salesperson is probably having good ears, being able to listen, being able to adapt to each scenario, because one minute you're going to be talking to a junior exec, next minute you're going to be talking to a global director of sales.